Hi guys, so in this video I am going to share my opinion on the today's question paper. So actually from my point of view the paper is not too easy and also it is not too difficult also. So the students generally who are having the conceptual clarity can comfortably answer this question. So this question paper. So let us see what are given in the question paper and so where these questions are covered in our material also. So if you see the MCQ number 1, so which is related to the fundamental accounting concept called as going concern concept. So really if you have gone through the definition or the points related to going concern concept, then you can comfortably answer this MCQ. So this is a MCQ which is given based on the fundamental accounting assumption that is called as going concern concept. So similarly this is also covered in the accounting and introduction chapter also and also in the AS1 also. So we have to know what is the meaning of going concern. So when going concern is applicable and when going concern is not applicable. So next coming to the second question. So which is a question given based on the bank reconciliation statement. So there is no MCQ which is directly copy paste type of questions are so very few questions are given in the examination and majority of the questions are so required to be answered based on your conceptual clarity only. So this is a MCQ which is based on the bank reconciliation statement. So what are the errors which are not generally considered in the bank reconciliation statement? That is what they are asking in this MCQ. And if you have gone through the problems what are there in our material, so then comfortably you can answer this MCQ also. Next, so one of the question they are giving from the financial statements. So what are the in the given statements, what are the true statements in respect of financial statements? So actually this question was given from accounting and introduction chapter. So the financial statements, what are the statements which are true from the viewpoint of financial statements? So this is a logical question they have given in the public examination. So no kind of these questions are there in the study material or even any other institute sources also. So based on the conceptual clarity only you can able to answer this question. And next coming to MCQ number 4, so which is based on the accommodation bills. So many times we have suggested you to go through the accommodation bills treatment. So here also an MCQ was given based on the treatment of accommodation bills. And next so MCQ number 5 is related to so accounts from incomplete records. So the opening capital was given, closing capital was given, drawings are given. They are asking you to calculate the profit or loss for the current year. And next question is based on the AS22. So that is accounting for taxes on income. So first time they have given a question from the AS22. So a 5 marks are theory, one theory question was given and one MCQ is also given. So based on the AS22 provisions, so they have given an MCQ and which is a basic one only. In this MCQ already we have covered in the form of CRD1 or CRD2. And next many times we have suggested you go through the treatment of provision for bad debts. So many times in each and every exam they are giving a question based on the so provision for bad debts calculation or an MCQ also. So this time also they have given an MCQ based on the provision for bad debts treatment. And next one is the basic question basic MCQ. So that is based on the calculation of so depreciation under SLM method. So here they are not asking you to calculate the depreciation, they are asking you to calculate the scrap value of the machine. So simply you have to write the formula and from that formula you can able to calculate the scrap value. And so actually they have given a question from AS2, but AS2 is not there in your syllabus. But let us see how they are going to allocate the marks for this. So actually AS2 is not there in your syllabus, but in the corporate accounting we are having Ind AS which deals with valuation of inventory. So there you are having so Ind AS in case of inventories, but in financial accounting actually we are not having AS2 in our syllabus, but they have given a question and that too basic question only, valuation of inventory at cost or NRV, whichever is lower. And this is a direct MCQ given from the non-profit organization. So that is excess of expenditure over income. So this is a direct question from the NPO chapter based on theory. And here a question was given from partnership accounts based on the theory. So if you have really gone through the theory points, then you can comfortably answer this question, or based on the problematic, based on the problems knowledge also you can comfortably answer this MCQ. And next MCQ number 12 deals with consignment, valuation of consignment stock at invoice price. So we have to value the closing stock consignment inventory at invoice price. This is also the basic MCQ only, but here we have to properly consider the treatment of direct expenses and indirect expenses. The consignee expenses includes both direct and indirect expenses that properly we should consider while valuation of closing stock. And next, an MCQ was given based on the joint venture chapter. Actually, I think there is some drafting mistake in this question. So we are going to provide the suggested answers for the MCQs and also the descriptive questions later on. So in those suggested answers, we are going to mention you what is the treatment that we are going to provide for this MCQ, whether this is whether any information is missing or whether it is to be treated in another way, so that we will provide in the suggested answers. So but from my point of view, there is some mistake in this question. So let us see. So later on we are going to provide the same in the suggested answers also. And next, coming to MCQ number 14. So actually here, so in MCQ number 14, which is given based on the matching, this is MCQ is based on the matching. So here they have given some AS and Ind AS also. Sir, Ind AS are not there in our syllabus, but Ind AS 23 and Ind AS 16. So actually in the comparative provisions, you can able to identify these differences between AS and Ind AS. So based on that concept, they have given this MCQ. So if you have really gone through the comparative provisions of AS and Ind AS, then you can comfortably answer this MCQ also. And next, last MCQ, it is not from a single chapter. So various theory points from various chapters are given here, and they are asking you to write what is the correct statement out of these all the statements. The first statement is from branch accounts, and the second one is from hire purchase, and third one is from insurance claims, and last one is from AS 19. So they have given 4 statements, and they are asking you to write the correct statements. So as mentioned earlier, those students who are having the conceptual clarity, those students can only able to answer this type of MCQs. So and if you see all the out of 15 MCQs, so I think only one MCQ which is a copy paste style of MCQ, that is NPO MCQ, and remaining all MCQs are so based on your conceptual clarity only you can able to answer the MCQs. So the copy paste style of MCQs, they are not testing in the examination. Okay. Next, coming to BRS, so I think all these points are covered in our CRD number 1A, so which is a basic one only, and majority of the adjustments we can see in our CRD number 1, so which is a basic problem only, and that too they have given the favorable balance only, not OD balance also. And next, so here there is a unexpected question they have given, that is based on the capital under revenue expenditure. So out of these following cases, which is treated as a capital expenditure and which is treated as a revenue expenditure. So actually we have covered all these points except the last 7th point, and remaining all these points are covered in our fill in the blanks what we have given at the end of the theory in our masterminds material. So really if you have gone through those fill in the blanks, all these fill in the blanks, all these points are covered in those fill in the blanks. So those who have really gone through those fill in the blanks, so they can comfortably and easily answer this question. So having a weightage of 7 marks, just simply you have to mention whether it is capital expenditure or revenue expenditure only. Next, coming to question number 3A, so which is again based on the accommodation bills. So many times we have suggested you to go through the accommodation bills concept. So here the question was given based on the accommodation bills only, and here it is a basic question only, and they are asking you to write the entries in the books of the drawer in case of the original bill or first bill. And next, second question, it is a question which is given from the hire purchase chapter. Actually these kind of problems are not there in the new study material. These kind of problems are not there in the new study material. Here they have given the hire purchase price, cash price, and also they have given you the installments also, and down payment given and installments are given, but rate of interest was not given. So when rate of interest was not given, so how to calculate that rate of interest? Actually in the recent MQP there was a problem given which is similar to this kind of problem only. There they have followed the IRR method, but in the old study materials we are having different approach for calculation of the interest included in each installment. But in the new study material these kind of problems are not there. So only those students who have gone through the recent MQPs, and those students can only able to answer this question. And next one, coming to the single entry, so that is accounts from incomplete records. So here they have given some missing figures, and only few information they have given, and they are asking you to calculate the so final accounts. So I think this is a basic question only. So here they have given the question for 14 marks, which is a basic question, and you can comfortably answer this question also. And next, coming to the partnership accounts. So here the question was given from partnership 2 based on the concept of sale of a partnership firm, sale of a firm to a company. Here the partnership firm is going to be taken over by company, and the company is going to give some consideration. They're asking you to write the entries in the books of so the company, and also they are asking you to prepare the balance sheet of this company. So actually we have to prepare the balance sheet of the company as per schedule 3 of the Companies Act. So these kind of problems are there in our material also. So here we have to write the entries in the books of purchasing company, and also we have to prepare the balance sheet of the purchasing company. Next, coming to CRD number 6A, which is based on the branch accounts. And here in case of branch accounts, many times we have suggested you to prepare or go through branch debtors method or stock and debtors method. Here the question was given based on the debtors method only. Okay. So there is no surprising element in this question, which is a direct question. Even this kind of question was there in the study material also. And next, coming to insurance claims. So the fundamental basic question they have given, and no typical adjustments are also given in this question. So all the points we know, and all these points are covered in our CRD problems also. Okay now. And next, coming to question number 7A. So here it is a question based on AS 11. So first of all, here this question was based on the integral foreign operation, and we should be in a position to know what are the translation rules that we should follow in case of integral foreign operation. So if you are comfortable, or if you are if you are having the knowledge of translation rules in case of integral foreign operation, then it is a simple question only. And in case of accounting standards, most of the questions they are given from theoretical aspects only and theory areas only. So very few questions are given from the practical problems or practical areas. So all the questions they have given based on the theory only. And next, coming to question number 7A. So second point. So which is also again based on accounting standard number 22, and again this is also a theory question only. So and from the beginning onwards I am suggesting you to follow. So suggesting you to go through the theory. In case of CMA enter, theory is the most important, and in case of CA enter, problematic area is the most important. And this time also they have given majority of the questions from theoretical aspects only. So I think around 16 to 18 marks they have given from theory only. So next question is related to AS 12. So here different cases they have given. So grants related to different types of grants information they have given, and they are asking you the treatment as per AS 12. So next, so many times I have suggested you to go through the comparative provisions which are given at the end of the study material, at the end of each and every accounting standard. This time also a question was given. So based on the comparative provisions as per accounting standard 11 and Ind AS 21. So actually both these standards deals with foreign exchange transactions only, but there are certain differences between AS 11 and Ind AS. So we have to mention any 4 differences between AS 11 and Ind AS 21. And this time a question was given again based on theory, and also they have given from introduction to accounting standards. So what are the advantages or merits of Ind AS? So that is the theory question. And coming to question number 8B. So here, so the question was drafted in such a way that so you should be in a position to have the knowledge over the various theory concepts under the various chapters. So the first question they have given based on AS 10, and the second question they have again given based on AS 10 or definition of asset. And next, third point they have given based on the accounting concept of prudence or conservatism. And next question they have given, so the accounting treatment in case of abnormal loss. There is a loss of goods of 1 lakh and insurance company is giving a claim of 70. How the entry will be recorded in the final accounts. And also in the next question they are asking you to, true or false statement based on the PBD and the PDD. So generally when the how the PDD amount is calculated. So based on that they have given an MCQ. So here if you see this question is having multiple concepts from various chapters, and which are also not directly given in the study material. From the theory concepts of the study material, they have drafted certain MCQs in the form of MCQs are very short answer type questions they have given in the examination. And the last question they have given based on the accounting entries in case of dissolution of a partnership firm. So that is based on So realization expenses. So how the realization expenses treatment is to be given. So in case of different situations. So this is from dissolution of partnership firms, that is again from partnership 2 only. So these are the areas which are given in the public examination. So my point of view, the paper is not too easy and not too difficult also. Really, if you are really having the conceptual clarity, then these questions are not too difficult from your point of view. So thank you.